Hello boys and girls, it's math time. Now we are continuing down our road to mastering subtraction. So let's keep that up right now. We're going to need a couple different things. We're going to need something to write on, something to write with. If you want to grab your cubes, grab your cubes. If you want to grab your number line, grab your number line. So we have all our tools ready to go so we don't have to run off and grab them. We're ready? You have everything? Okay, remember, if we move too fast, you can always press pause and then start it back up when you are good and ready, okay? So here we go. We're going to take a look at some subtraction problems. And we're going to start off first. We're going to use, I'm going to use the dot method. You don't have to. You can use your cubes, you can use your whiteboard or your number line. You can use any other beans if you have beans. Whatever it is that you want to use, you can use them. My first couple examples are going to be using our dots, okay? Our pictures. So, we'll start off with something like this. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. So I have 4 minus 3. And the way I'm going to start it off is I'm going to make 4 dots. Right? 4 dots. Now I'm going to circle and cross out 3 of them because I'm taking 3 away. We're subtracting 3. Okay? So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay? Is that what you got? Alright. Let's take a look at another one down here. How about, let's do a 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. So this time I'm going to put my dots above because it really doesn't matter where you put your dots. You can put them on another piece of paper if you want, as long as you keep them clean so you can read it, right? You want to keep giving enough space between them. Watch, let me show you how it might look. Okay, I made 5 dots, but look what I did. I put 2 very close to each other, and that almost looks like it's 1 dot, right? So say I'm in the middle of this problem, and then somebody's at the door and I have to go answer the door, and then I come back to this problem and I count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, where I circle 2 of them out and cross 2 of them out. Well, I'm wrong now, right? So I want to make sure that I have good spacing in between all of my dots so it's easy. So now doorbell rings and I go and answer the door. When I come back, I can clearly see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots, right? No problems there, no confusion. So now we're taking away 2. Let's circle and cross out any 2. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3. There we go. That's our dot method, right? Now let's see. So we have, let's have a 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. And this time, I'm not going to use the dot method. This time I'm going to use a different one. So we have 6 minus 2. Put that over there. And while I'm working on this and getting my materials ready, you can complete this problem and then we'll compare and see if we got the same thing. So I have my 6 cubes here. And I'll count them just so we're sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's our 6, and we're going to take away 2. We take away 2. And now I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get 4? 6 minus 2 equals 4? Yes, it does. Now, how about, let's try an 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. Let's see, what do you get if you have 8 and you take away 4? What is your answer? We'll see mine in just a second. Here is my cubes. Let me get 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 8 cubes. And now I take away 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are away. And we are left now with 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that what you got, boys and girls? 8 minus 4 equals 4? Yep. Okay, good. Working through this. You guys are doing an excellent job. And remember, it does not matter which one of these methods, which one of these strategies you choose. It's what's best for you. So even if your best friend does a different strategy, it's okay. That's what works for them. You choose what works best for you. Okay? Now, number line time. Number line. Now, let's get another problem. Let's get 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. Okay. Well, let's get to our number line. And we have 9. Find 9 on the number line. There it is. Almost right in the middle. Almost. And we are subtracting 3. It's 9 minus 3. So that means it's getting smaller because we're taking away. So we're going to go this way on the number line. And how we do the number line again is we make jumps. So we're going to jump back 3 because we're taking away 3. And we're going to see what we land on. Now we don't count until our jump lands. So let's try this. Let me see. I'm going to try to show it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What did I land on? 6. Did you get 9 minus 3 equals 6? Did you get 6? Okay, very nice. And why don't we finish with our number line with, how about this one? 10 minus 5. What is 10 minus 5? So I want you to use your whatever strategy you use to solve 10 minus 5. And then I'm going to show you what I get on my number line. So first of all, let's find 10. Oh, there it is. 10. And now we're subtracting 5. So it's 10 minus 5. So we're going to start at 10. We're going to jump back 5 times. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, we're only counting when we land. Only counting when you land on these jumps. And it stops here at 5. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. Is that what you got? 10 minus 5 equals 5. All right. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to put a couple more problems on this whiteboard, but I am not going to solve them. Guess who is? You. You are going to solve them, and you're going to do it using whatever strategy it is that you choose. Okay? So I'm going to put just a few problems on here because once you're done with these, I want you to go back to our 1-minute math facts sheet in our black folder. I want you to keep practicing on those and see how well you do. Because the more we practice, the better we get. The better we get each day. Ready? Let's start off with these ones. Yep, that's a good one. So is that one. Alright. I think that one's going to trick a couple of you. Okay, so here's the first couple that we're going to take a look at. 8 minus 5. So go ahead, you're going to write that one down. You're going to solve that. 6 minus 4. What's that? 3 minus 3. And 4 minus 3. And how about 8 minus 0? And finally, 9 minus 7. Okay, so boys and girls, have fun with this. Remember, when you finish it, go do the 1-minute math fact sheet in your black folder. Do your best. Do your very best, and I guarantee you will see results. You will start to get better the more and more we do this. Pick your strategy. whichever one you want, and become an expert at it. Okay? All right, boys and girls, thank you very much for joining me for math. I will see you very soon. Take care.